Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the next session, chapter 1, our earth. Now I am going to teach about the evolution of the earth. Evolution means transformation. The earth which we live is transformed into several phases. You can see there are different landforms on this earth: hills, mountains, valleys, oceans, rivers, lakes. Beautiful things are appear to see on this earth. That's why scientists are still debating nowadays also. See here, scientists are still debating how our earth was formed. Most scientists are of the view that earth began to form around 4.5 billion years ago. Even today also scientists are debating each other how it was formed. According to the scientists, most of the scientists view earth was formed around 4.5 billion years ago. 4.5 crores years ago earth was formed. This is the view of the most of the scientists. The earth has reached its present form through several phases. It began as a ball of swirling dust and clouds and passed through a molten stage. The earth has reached its present form through several phases. Through the several phases, our earth was formed. Initially, it was began as a ball of swirling dust and clouds. With the clouds and dust, our earth was swirling. Swirling means revolving. It was revolving with clouds and dust as like a ball. That is the initial position of the our earth, and passed through a molten stage. At that time it was in a molten stage. Molten means a liquid form. Initially it was revolving with dust and clouds in a molten stage. At that time the earth was very hot and was constantly bombarded by massive rocks and other materials from the space. When it was revolving like a ball with swirling dust and clouds, massive rocks and other materials hit at the earth from the space. In this way the size of the earth grew. The earth was so hot that it was molten like that. When the massive rocks and other substances hit the earth, its size was grown. If you observe the interior of our earth, you can see three layers: crust, mantle and core. Crust is the upper layer, mantle is the middle layer, core is the lower layer. Like a boiled egg, our earth also consists of three layers. How was these three layers formed? We'll see now with one example. When you boil a thick soup containing many substances, you can observe heavier particles go to the bottom and lighter particles come to the top. Like that, when our earth was in a molten stage, heavier and lighter particles hit it. Heavier particles goes to the bottom and cool down. Lighter particles goes to the top and cool down. With the heavier particles, interior of our earth was formed. with the lighter particles outer layer means crust was formed. Thank you children. Have a nice day. We'll meet you next session.